Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Intraday YouTube channel. In this video, we're gonna to discuss about how to select time frames for trading. This particular video is divided into two segments. In the first segment, we're gonna to discuss about how to select time frames for scalping, how to select time frame for intraday, how to select time frame for swing trading, how to select for positional trading, and how to select time frame for investments. And in the second segment, we're gonna to see about multi time frame analysis. I'm going to also take one or two scripts as example to show how I personally do this multi time frame analysis. If you are watching this video randomly, this is not the random video. This is one of those videos of this particular series. This is basics of technical analysis series which we have started from the scratch. And if you are watching this randomly, I do highly recommend you to watch all the videos of this playlist because we have started it from the scratch and we're gonna to also cover the advanced concept in this particular playlist. And if you have not yet subscribed to the Indus Trader YouTube channel, please do consider subscribing it and click on the bell icon next to it. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Yes guys, welcome back. And how to select time frame for trading. Before discussing that, let me explain you the importance of the time frame. If you know everything about technical analysis and you don't know about time frame is very key important aspect in your trading journey. Why I am saying this? If you are doing some excellent analysis and if you are doing in a wrong time frame, then that will not give you the result at all. For example, you are doing analysis on monthly, weekly or daily time frame, and your strategy or your style of trading is intraday, then your time frame is not matched to your style of trading and which will not give you the results. So let's start how to select time frame for trading. See, people take different time frames for different trading styles. Within next few minutes we are going to talk about that, but before that you have to remember this. We usually have two type of time frames we take in each style of trading. First one is higher time frame and second one is lower time frame. In the higher time frame we do trend analysis and in the lower time frame we take the trade execution. That means in the higher time frame we will decide whether we should be on bullish side or on bearish side. So we will take the decisions in the higher time frame whether we should go for buy or sell, and we will come to lower time frames to take the entry level and to keep the stop loss and targets. So we do this in the lower time frame. Hope you understand. Just simple. In the higher time frame we do the trend analysis and we will take a decision whether we should be on buy side or sell side according to the trend in the higher time frame, and we will do our trade execution in the lower time frame. So further throughout the series I gonna to address this as higher time frame and lower time frame. You should not get confused with that. Higher time frame is something where we do the trend analysis and lower time frame is something we take the trades and we keep our stop loss and targets according to this. So coming to trading styles, if you see we have four trading styles which I have divided here into. One is scalping. So let us quickly discuss about this trading styles first so that after we will go for time frame selection. So first thing is scalping. Scalping is nothing but we usually see this scalping for very quick time, like very less time. We take entries with huge quantity and we sell for very limited points, or we say limited target. We sell and we make some bucks, so we make some money and we take multiple entries here. Okay, I hope you understood now. Intraday is something we do, we also call it as day trading. I hope all you know. We do this for one day. Okay, in the same trading day, we have to close the position. And coming to swing trading we can hold for some few days to 1 or 2 months. Especially we hold for 1 or 2 months. That's called swing trading. And positional and investment we hold for few months. Okay, few months or few years. So I hope you understood all the trading styles here. If not, you can rewatch this video and let me also clearly explain you about the higher time frames now. Higher time frame, as I said, we do here trend analysis, and a lower time frame we take the trade. So for the scalping, 5 minutes is the higher time frame and 1 minute is the lower time frame, which means we do the trend analysis in 5 minutes and we take the trade in 1 minute. And for intraday, the higher time frame is 1 hour and the lower time frame is 10 minutes or 15 minutes. It depends upon your back test. I personally go for both the time frames. The reason is here is some type of argument, like even some people prefer to go for 5 minutes as well. Yes, but in the beginner stage, in order to delete some noise, so I prefer you go for both of this. And coming to swing trading, higher time frame will be daily and lower time frame will be hourly. Okay, and coming to positional or investment, higher time frame will be weekly and lower time frame will be daily. If you have any confusion, you can please do comment below so that I can make a Q&A on this particular topic if you have any doubts. So I hope you clearly understood this. Higher time frame we do the trend analysis. If you are, let's say you are doing a swing trade, then you should analyze the trend in daily time frame and you should go for hourly time frame to take the entries. So this is how you should approach. If you are doing intraday, then you should analyze the trend in hourly and you should take entry in 10 or 15 minutes. So I hope you understood how to select the time frames for trading. You can take a screenshot of this and you can save it, or else just join our the Indus Telegram channel where I usually share the market updates. Not only the market updates, I also share my market view on which side I'm trading, about global markets, and this is one channel where you can gain lot of knowledge and you can see chat analysis and some important levels. I also provide some audio messages in the market and some important news, macro events, and all these updates you get in this Telegram channel. And if you have not yet joined, link is in the description, or directly go to the Telegram channel and enter the Indus Trader. You will get the channel with this logo and with this username. You can join directly from there. And we also have another channel which is premium channel where I usually share swing premium calls as well as important learnings. You can see I usually give lot of learning chats here, a lot of important levels to watch out, and you can clearly see recently we have given PSB Bank, which have given us 78% returns within 10 to 15 days, and Hind Petro we holded for around 3 to 4 days and we booked around 8% returns in Hind Petrol. So this type of premium swing calls we provide in this premium channel. In order to join this premium channel, just you need to open a demat account under us by using these links. Yes, guys. By this, any of this link, if you open the account, and then you will be added to this premium channel. So now, before starting top-down approach, let us see some analysis. Like if you observe this particular ICICI bank, and I have made a video on trend, and if you have not yet watched, I highly recommend you to watch that. And if you see this particular stock is in uptrend, right? This is in the uptrend. So let's say now I am in daily time frame. You can see here I am in daily time frame, and daily time frame, whatever the type of trading I do, whether I go for intraday, whether I go for scalping, whether I go for swing, whether I go for positional, I always watch the daily time frame. And for me this is a time frame like a golden time frame. I give very much importance for this, and this is like a golden time frame for me. Let's say for example, you have seen this uptrend from here. Okay, from here you are watching this uptrend, and you have marked this level. Okay, and this is your stop loss, and you have taken entry somewhere here. So here if you calculate your stop loss, let me also calculate the stop loss here. If you see from here to here, it's almost like 945 points. Okay, 45 points. And let's go to lower time frame, 15 minutes, and let's again take some uptrend. Okay, again this is one uptrend, and if this after breaking this high, again after breaking this high, again let's say if you have taken entry, and here you can see only 7 points SL. So which mean I want to say you here is lower the time frame, lower the risk reward. I hope you understood. If you take trade in higher time frames, you would get higher risk reward, but the thing is you have to maintain patience, because in this higher time frames the you have to wait for some higher duration with patience to get the returns. As lower time frames you go, the risk reward gets minimum. Like if you go for 5 minutes, then your risk reward is comparatively very low compared to daily time frame. So this is one important learning you have to remember. Yes, now coming to the second segment of this video, that is multi-time frame analysis. I'm gonna to take few examples and I'm gonna to show you how I do multi-time frame analysis and what is the right approach to do that. So as I said, let's say I'm planning for intraday trade. So intraday trade, as I explained you, very simple. We should do trend analysis, that is higher time frame is 1 hour and lower time frame is somewhere between 10 or 15 minutes. First I will have a look at daily time frame for recent, how the stock is doing or how the script is doing. So I came to 1 hour daily time frame, you can clearly see here. And if you see here in the daily time frame, you can clearly see that this ICICI bank is in uptrend. If you see this, it is still in a uptrend because we have seen a trend reversal concept. Trend reversal will be considered when this swing low is break. Okay, if this swing low, this higher low swing is breached, and if it forms, see already if you clearly observe here, it is started to make lower high and lower low. But if this particular swing breaks, and if it make one more swing like this, then we can say we trend reversal happened in ICICI bank. So as of now, I will mark important levels in daily time frame. For example, this particular swing is important for me, because if this particular swing breaches out, then my uptrend structure will be converted into downtrend. So this is my important level. So now let's switch to 1 hour time frame. You can also mark important resistance as well if you want. So let me also take the important resistance as well. If you see, for my support I have multiple touches here. If you clearly observe here, and for my resistance even I have multiple touches. So I have taken support and resistance in one color. You can do like this, you can keep one color of lines for daily time frame. Like I, in my case I have given blue color. You can choose your color and let go to 1 hour time frame, because as I said I gonna to plan a intraday trade on this. So my higher time frame for the intraday is hourly time frame. So in hourly time frame, if I zoom in, we can draw a trend line here like this. Did I got multiple touch points? Yes, right. So if you see here, completely it's in a downtrend. And some people also draw a trend line like this, but I don't prefer because I'm getting multiple touches here. So this is my style. I have explained you everything about this trend lines in the previous video. Please do watch. And if you see in hourly hourly time frame, it's here clearly showing you a downtrend. If you see here, recent swing, recently it's made a higher high, and recent low also breaked in a higher time frame. But the important level to watch out is this, which we have marked in our daily time frame. So as per our lower time frame, we have discussed lower time frame, that is trade execution time frame for intraday is 15 minutes. So now I switched to 15 minutes, you can see here, and my trading will be something like that. This swing high gonna to be my stop loss. Okay, as soon as tomorrow, if this ICICI banks breaking this low, particular low, I will take a trade up to this blue line, because this blue line is important support we have drawn from our daily time frame. So we always give importance to support and resistance which we are drawing in our daily time frame. So if this directly go up to here, again we will wait for a rejection from the trend line and we will take the trade. So I hope you understood now. Let me also take some other examples. Let me go to Bank Nifty. Okay, again the same approach. Now let me go some speed. And if you see in a single direction, if you clearly see, it is in a up direction, but we did not get much corrections, or we say uh, correction moves are comparatively small than impulse move. Like even you can say like this, we got correction moves but comparatively very low. Okay, so if you see here, let me draw a support here as we do. Okay, so this is my support. You can see I'm getting multiple touches here, I have drawn a support here in the daily time frame. As my trading style, again I go for, and let me find out the trend. You can see the trend is in, first draw the trend line, no need to worry, first draw the trend line, thereafter you can do the adjustments. Okay, I can also make the adjustment to this swing. Okay, right. Now if you see in hourly time frame, it breezed out. You see I'm marking a level from hourly as well. If you see, it breached the recent higher low. So now it turned now we got a trend reversal from here. And again let's go to our trade execution time frame, and if you see here clearly, it changed the, we got the trend reversal like you can see, but we will take the confirmation only after if this particular support breaks. Let's say tomorrow it breaking this, then this, again this downtrend continues. So this is how we should analyze the trend. Multi time frame analysis, always remember one thing: whenever you do multi time frame analysis, go from higher time frame to lower time frame. Never ever do that mistake. You are doing analysis in lower time frame and you are going back to higher. This is completely a wrong approach. First go to higher time frames, that is top to bottom you have to come. Okay, go to daily time frame, mark important support and resistance, and then I'm explaining about intraday. Okay, if you are doing trade in for scalping, let's say scalping. So I came to scalping time frame now. Okay, now I will draw a trend line like this. Okay, after drawing trend line, my trade will be, if this in my particular 5-minute higher time frame for my scalping, it is in downtrend. Okay, I will go to 1-minute time frame. So now just I opened 1-minute time frame. So in 1-minute time frame I will draw a counter trend line like this. As soon as this trend line breaks, I will take a short side trade. I will keep a target up to this swing, or at least if this swing also breaches out, then I will keep a target of this one. So this is how you have to take the trades. I have shown you example of both, and even if you want to go for any other stock, let me also show you. I'm showing you multiple time frames. I'm showing you multiple examples. Only the reason is to make you more comfort with the concept. So if you see here, I am doing analysis in weekly time frame. Okay, in weekly time frame it's completely in bullish. You can see here it's in bullish. So if I want to go for investment, then I will go to daily time frame to take the trade. And if you see in the daily time frame, still it's in long. And let me draw this. This is a very good support. Okay, you can see we got multiple rejections also. And if this trend line gets, if we see any bullish candle here, we will keep stop loss below this our support and we will take the entry. So this is how you have to do your multi time frame analysis. I hope you like this video. If so, keep a thumbs up to this video, and hope you give your feedback as comment. And if you have any doubt, or if you want any video on any particular topic, then please let us know through the comment section so we can plan the next video on that. And see you in the next video. Until then, we are signing off. Jai Hind.